In this video, I'll show you how to connect Airtable to n8n. Firstly, go to airtable.com/account, then copy your API key or personal access token if using newer API. Now go to your n8n dashboard, local or cloud. Click on Credentials in the left menu, then click the plus New Credentials, then search for Airtable API. Choose between API key for older setups and access tokens, which is recommended for newer API usage. Pass the key or token into the field, then save the credential. Now create a new workflow, then add a trigger, for example webhook, cron, etc. Add an Airtable node and select your Airtable credential. Configure base ID, table name, or operation, then test the workflow. Finally, hit Execute Node to test. If it works, hit Activate to run automatically. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.